Yeah, baby. Got him.
Yep. Got him.
So we just got to this field. I found the birds this morning. Buddy's calling. But yeah, I found these birds this morning and they're just now starting to show up to the field and it's almost 7 o'clock. But yeah, we're gonna sit here till dark. We're gonna watch them out and get on them in the morning. Let's go.
Yeah, I don't think all of them up there, but I think I might need to move a couple of that.
Hi, you're very bright.
Hi.
How you doing?
Hi. Hi. Rolling?
I walked right behind you. I didn't even know you were recording. Turn around, look at you. Right. That's rude.
That's rude. Yeah, it's mine. And blind.
Got little guys here.
Yeah, I got
over there.
I was thinking.
Some in front.
We have two. We have Pooh and the little B word.
Yeah.
Chilling right there.
Speaking of that,
we're keeping it BG.
Trying our best to keep it PG.
that's the trick.
That's what kills them for us every time. But the rule is, if we get skunked today, we have to blow the head off of the one with the chains. You gotta shoot them.
Off with the head.
Yeah, off with the head. If we get skunked, no good.
I haven't had to do that yet.
Yeah, we haven't had to do it yet, but it's only if we get skunked hunting a feed. If we're hunting traffic, we kind of are expecting to get skunked. But if we're
over here.
Good idea.
Sure. But yeah, if we're hunting a feed and we get skunked, off with his head. He's gone. Saw a little 10-pack action here.
Bunch of water just came out of that guy.
Poor guy. He's soaked. He's hydrated. He's ready to go, just like we are for opening day. We're ready for it. It's been a long wait, but we're putting them out, and hopefully we smack them. That's the only goal we have today. There was a pile in here yesterday morning. Last night, not so much, but it's the only thing we got, so we're gonna send it. I'm gonna finish setting these things up and we're gonna hopefully get this show on the road.
Take them, boys.
Got them all.
Them, boys.
Got them all. Got them all, boys.
Bring them up. Have to get that one.
Go grab that one that's running.
No, Jared. No, Jared. Nope.
No, just go grab them. You got all of them.
Guns up. Get that one.
No, run. Just go run and grab it. There we go, boys. First group of the year. Wipe the whole thing.
Yeah.
fight them, boys. They just kept standing there.
Yeah.
They kept shooting them. Like, really?
Come in silent.
I'll see you. In between blind.
Yeah.
There's another group behind them.
I think this is 10.
Land these ones.
Are we waiting or are we shooting?
Land these ones.
More to our right. Oh. There they all come.
Those ones landed far.
Can't do it.
That ain't good. Gotta get them up.
Burn these close ones. Oh, we're gonna burn this group right here if they get close. Come right there, boys! I just squad wiped over here.
One ate of over 7. And I just had to turn it up.
7.
I shot 4.
We got one shot.
Clean them up. These birds are gonna be coming back. Clean them up. Get up there and pick them up. They're on your side.
Yeah, I know, I shot a lot.
Holy crap.
What? They're short stopping us, but we're making it work. We got 14 so far. We haven't even seen 100 birds yet. Good job, buddy.
I think you got that one. What's the last one you got?
I don't even know how we're gonna tuck him. Is he dead?
Again? He's calling.
Oh. Bro.
His ribs last pretty hit.